If you want to know how the ingredients in this untraditional egg salad will 10x your hair growth and taste delicious, then keep on watching. Why? Because so that you won't be hungry all the time. So, oh my God, let me get another bite. This is delicious.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
Hello, welcome to the channel. This is Trina Clever, your 4C hair transformation coach. If you are new here, welcome. And if you're a subscriber, welcome back. Well, as you know, this is my playlist, Recipes for Massive Hair Growth, and this is episode 4. Now, if you're new to the channel and you haven't seen those other 3 videos, I'll have a link to that playlist so that you can get caught up, because on this playlist, we're going to be losing weight and growing hair, one recipe at a time, one bite at a time. And so every recipe that I show will go along with my diet transformation book. It has all the information that support everything that we're going to do on this playlist. So if you haven't gotten your copy, you can scan the QR code, or you can also take advantage of the link in the description box, where you have 2 choices. You can do the ebook or the MP3 download. Now, of course, every last one of these recipes are ingredients that you can change out for variety, because when it comes to your diet, variety is the key, because your hair need abundance of nutrients. And so you want to make sure that your diet have enough nutrients for your hair, because if you've been on my channel, you know the importance of your hair is at the lower of the totem pole, right? So you want to make sure that you have dense ingredients in terms of nutrients to make sure that you have enough nutrients for your hair. So I'm doing my special egg salad. It's an egg salad that is 10x on the nutrients. It's kind of like an egg salad on steroids, if I may say so myself. So I'm going to show you, because each time I do these recipes, there's certain ingredients that you may have to tweak, and that's why I called it the diet transformation for massive hair growth, because some of the ingredients may be compromised. And so when I really got serious about my diet, my health, my hair growth, that's when I started paying attention. So there's one particular ingredient in this egg salad that it may be controversial for many of you. Some of you may love it like I do, and you're looking for an alternative. So check out this little quick video, and we'll be right back. Did you know scalp massages have been scientifically proven to not only increase hair growth, but to increase hair thickness due to massive blood flow? Well, despite its effectiveness, applying the correct massaging techniques and being consistent can help 10x your hair growth goals with scalp massages. That is exactly what the Grow Band Pro by HairGuard can bring to your hair routines to help you meet your goals. It is a patent-pending automatic scalp massager that allows you to massage your scalp while completing your to-do list, making consistency a breeze. The massage method is moving the scalp over skull to manipulate the fascia to stimulate massive blood flow at the dermal layer. Now, if you've been looking for a natural hair growth hack, well, this is it. There's no side effects, you have long-term results, and it's a one-time purchase. Now, to take advantage of the 60-day trial, simply scan the QR code so you can stack this hack and watch your hair grow down your back like crazy. Now back to the video. If you have any recipes where bacon bits is one of your ingredients, well, here's what I found in my favorite brand. As you can see, the Yuka app rated it bad with a score of 0 out of 100, and here's why. Of course, it's the 2 poison ingredients, sodium nitrate and sodium phosphate. As you can see, sodium nitrate is a preservative that is carcinogenic to humans and is genotoxic. That means it damages your DNA, causing mutation, and can be passed on to your unborn child from one generation to the next. So now let's take a look at sodium phosphate. Now it is a texturizing agent that can disrupt bone mineralization, meaning it decreases your bone density, and it also destroys your kidney and increases the chance of heart disease. Now all these ingredients will cause inflammation, which will stop your hair growth, massively decrease the quality of your life and the life of your next generation, and it will lead to premature death. Now, I know you don't want any of that, right? Now, unfortunately, this product did not recommend any better alternative, so I decided to look for some bacon so that I can make my own bacon bits. Now, as you can see, this is a very famous brand, and it wasn't any better. It too contained sodium nitrate. Now here's the one that I settled on. It's called Simple Truth brand, and it does have a poor rating, 30 out of 100. Now based upon my health profile, the negative items are of no concern for me. Now I do share how you can make that determination for yourself in my ebook entitled Diet Transformation for Massive Hair Growth. You can get your copy. There's a link in the description box. Now, like I've said before, I know you don't want any of that stuff in your life. So we're going to get started on this recipe. And while you at it, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. There's a button on the on my left, on your right. If you click it, you'll subscribe, ring the bell so that you won't miss another post. But let's get into the recipe. For hair growth, I like to add shrimp to this recipe because it is a great source of protein, B vitamins, zinc, iron, and vitamin D, because synergistically, these vitamins prevent hair loss and hair thinning. Now, I like to season them with a little bit of lemon juice, lemon pepper, curry powder, and black pepper to help the body absorb the flavors a lot better. For the vegetables, I'm adding thawed out broccoli because it requires less cooking time, and it also preserves the nutrients. And it also is a good source of iron and vitamin C, which is an antioxidant that fight free radicals to prevent damage to your hair. Now here's the trick to making your own bacon bits. You can bake it or fry it, but to a crisp. Then drain off the excess grease, let it cool for a bit, then break them off into small pieces. See, look how great that came out. Absolutely love it. Now, of course, you can also freeze any leftovers to prevent any spoiling, and I absolutely love the smell of bacon. Now, I'm going to simmer the shrimp with 1 tablespoon of ghee butter, then add the broccoli to enhance the flavor, and I wish you could smell it because I cannot wait. I'm going to add about a half teaspoon of lemon pepper, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, a half teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt, and a half cup of vegan cheese. Now when it comes to the cheese, you can opt to add the cheese without melting it by adding it after you've cooked the mixture. Now I let this simmer no less than about a minute because all these ingredients really don't require much cooking time. So in a mixing bowl, I'm adding all of the ingredients, and this is when I chop in 2 boiled eggs for even more protein and just mix it very well. Now to finish this recipe, I'm adding a little over 1 tablespoon of my favorite vegan mayonnaise, and I add a few of the bacon bits we all love, and about 1/4 cup of pecans for a little crunch. Now, of course, you can add your own favorite nuts if you like. Now, if you're also making this recipe for a larger group, just simply increase all of your portion size. Oh, look at that. Now, this, my dear, is what I call an egg salad on steroids. Bon appetit! So here it is. Check that out all these different flavors. Now I'm doing this week because I am going to, one of my goals for the next couple of weeks is to lose 20 pounds. And so I'm going keto with carb cycling based upon the days that I'm actually weightlifting. But this is one of my staple recipes. And the good news about this recipe, you can have it as a main dish or a side dish. If you don't want to put the shrimp in, or you don't want to put the bacon in, you don't have to. You can have your own special meat on the side. Or if you're trying to gain muscle, you might want to add that, because of course as you gain muscle, you got to increase your calories. But let's go ahead and taste this dish, okay? So I'm gonna see if I can get everything. The eggs, the bacon, the broccoli, everything. Get that. And the pecans. This is so good, y'all. It's so hearty. There's a lot of nutrients in here. This is one of those dishes where you get satiated for a long period of time. And one of the things I always talk about is you want to have whole foods so that you don't have to have the GLP-1 drugs like Wegovy or Ozempic, because eating this way will produce those same hormones so that you won't be hungry all the time. So, oh my God, let me get another bite. This is delicious. I love it. Now, one other thing you can add into this recipe is your favorite salsa, whether it's a mild salsa or a hot salsa. This just depends on how spicy you like your food. Like I've said before, I'm from Louisiana and we like it hot, okay? And you can make this dish as hot and spicy as you like. I'm not a chef, I'm not a professional cook, but I love to cook, right? I love it because it allows you to be so creative in the kitchen. You can have 100% control over the ingredients, everything that you're putting into your body, because it is sacred. But let me know what you think about this recipe. Let me know if you're gonna try this recipe, and when you do, I'd like to know, what did you add? What did you take away? I would love to know your experience on this, but this is one of my staple recipes. And so on this playlist, I am starting out with foods that I have in my staple. But if there's a recipe that you would like for me to do on this playlist that would help you change out the ingredients, and if you would send that to me, my email is on my channel, and I also put it in the description box for you as well. So I'm looking forward to doing this, because this is how you actually grow hair. You've got to start with the nutrients, okay? That is the base. That is the food that we're giving our scalp. So I thank you so much for joining me on this video. And like I said, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, ring the bell so that you won't miss a post, and click the QR code or the link in the description box to get your copy of my ebook, or you can choose the MP3 version if you like to listen while you learn. So just click the link, scan the code, and I will see you on the next video, where we will be growing hair one recipe at a time, one bite at a time. I'll see you on the next video. Be blessed.